Hello, Habibi here. This video is about how a QR code using HTML5, jQuery, and JavaScript using qrcode.js library. So this is the library, qrcode.js library. You can find the link to download this library from the description of this video. And this is the jQuery, and this one is index.html file. Let me edit this file. So this code is for this HTML file, and this is the result. If I type 123 here and click generate, I will get QR code image generated right here. So basically this video is answering a question of one person that commented my video previously. I've made this video which is how to generate QR code with JavaScript, and he asked me how to align the QR code to the center of the page. So I did answer him, and seems it doesn't work. So here is the video to answer the question. So here, as you can see, if you inspect this QR code, it is actually inside this QR code div. We have canvas and image. Canvas is invisible. We have image here. So I think the solution to make it appears on the center of the page is to add this style to this div. Here we specify the width. Let's style it this way. We specify the width, for example 256 pixels, and the height also 256 pixels. And let's set the display inline block, and then we wrap this div inside another div, and the parent div we can style it text align center. That's all. If you refresh the page, you type 1 2 3 here, or 5 6, click generate, we have it on the center of the page. Okay, and this is the answer. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and please, if you have any question, just ask. I will answer as I can. Bye bye.